Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to express the following as a single fraction. Well, step 1 is for us to consider whether there is any factors, any numerator or denominator that I could factorize. Yes, there is. In fact, all can be factorized. So for this, I will have to use the cross method, where you can then see that I have placed them in this manner, and x times x will give me my x squared, and for 20 I will have to consider all the factors and which pair could give me 1, or in this case -1. Yep, 4 and 5. And let me just write this down first. We will start to consider which pair could be my negative. In order to get -1, yes, very good, because if I plus -5 plus 4x, that will give me -1. And 4 times -5 does give me -20. And so I have gotten my factors for this expression here. So the next line will be equals to x plus 4, x -5. Next, I will consider this. Oh, before that, nope, this. X squared minus 25. That will bring me to where there's this special product. A squared minus b squared equals to a plus ba minus b. So I could rewrite x squared minus 25 as x squared minus 5 squared. And once I do that, you can then see that I could substitute a as x, b as 5. And I've gotten my factors. Here. Next thing to factorize will be this. So again, I have to do my cross chart again. So I'm going to bring you over to here, where I will have x squared, -15 and 2x. Which pair of factors will possibly give me 2x? Yes. So this will be x times x to give me my x squared, 3 and 5. And having write this down, then I could decide which one could be my negative. Yes, 5x minus 3x will give me positive 2x. So that -3 times positive 5 will give me back my -15. And so I've gotten my factors for this. So let me continue to write it down. I will have a x -3 and x positive 5. Okay, now come for my denominator here. 12 minus x squared. Well, for this, I would first be doing this. Taking out the negative, and it will give me an easier expression to factorize. So I now just need to factorize x squared plus x minus 12. And that's where you will see this as well. And from here, when I factorize, I will have x times x to give me my x squared for 12. Which pair can give me 1? Yep. 3 times 4. And now it's for us to consider which, is it 4x or 3x? That must be the negative. Yep, 4 minus 3 give me positive 1x, and therefore negative 3. So I will have a x minus 3 and x plus 4 with a negative sign in front. And let's turn our attention back to here. And now that I have this, let me just do a little bit of shifting. Okay, now that I have this, I could then divide off the common factors between the numerator and the denominator. So I will have, I saw that the x plus 4, that will give me 1 over 1. X plus 5, that will give me 1 over 1. X minus 3, that will give me 1 over 1. X minus 5, that will give me 1 over 1. And therefore, the final answer, 1 times 1 times 1 times 1, 1 over 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times negative 1. Final answer, negative 1. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.